Before renewing vehicle tax or vehicle registration, it is necessary to have the vehicle inspected by the Department of Land Transport. Renewal is a private vehicle inspection center. In cases where it is not convenient to bring the vehicle for inspection at the Department of Land Transport, the Renewal or vehicle inspection is conducted solely to renew the annual tax. The center will check the roadworthiness of your vehicle, including brakes, brake lights, front and rear lights, turn signals, and exhaust test, among others. You can also pay your annual insurance here as well. Pro tip, you can get cheaper insurance elsewhere. The whole process takes only about 10 to 15 minutes. For my Yamaha R3, insurance was 750 baht, renewal fee at 200 baht, tax at only 100 baht. Total was just over 1,000 baht. They usually would have a waiting area for the motorists. Then, you need to come back within the next few days. And here's my new compulsory insurance. And here's the tax and registration papers. No need to pay double via agencies. Subscribe if this video was helpful. See you next video.